much for being here and watching. Today I am opening up my Vellabox for June and I am so excited. I always get so happy when I see this in my mailbox. If you're unfamiliar with what Vellabox is, it is a monthly candle subscription. And if you know me at all, you know I love candles so much. Like if they're ever in any type of subscription box, I get super overly excited even when I get them because yeah, they're the best. And Vellabox always features amazing candles. All of their candles are from local artisans in the US. They're all made in small batches, hand poured, they're toxin free, they smell amazing, and the burn time is phenomenal. So today we're going to be opening up their $30 box. So they have 3 different subscription options that ranging from $10 to $30. I do have a promo code, so that will save you $5 on any of the subscription plans. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna link Vellabox down below along with that promo code to save you some money. Before we get unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi, hello, welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel, so if you're into subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But yeah, let's get this box open because I can't wait to see what's inside. By the way, I loved the candles last month so much. If you guys missed that video, I'll link it down below. They smelled so good. I was so sad when they were done, but then I did the whole craft thing they suggested. I took the remaining wax out and I planted seeds in them, and when they're growing more, I will show you. They're actually downstairs, they haven't sprouted yet. I just did this recently. Always such cute presentation. This is what it looks like when I open the box. There's always a card here you can remove, and it says collect beautiful moments. Oh, and it looks so nice. It's like a little picnic on the beach. I actually saved the one from last month and I have it right over there. I just think they're so beautiful. And the candles every month come in these gorgeous drawstring bags. They're different every month. I love this sage color. So I always try and repurpose these because they're such good quality. They're canvas material drawstring. So sometimes I'll send my Mercari items for my shop that people buy in these bags, or gift things to friends and stuff. I try and find uses because yeah, so cute. So in the Vivere subscription, which is a $30 box that we're opening today, you get 1 4-ounce candle and 1 8-ounce candle. In the $10 subscription, you get the 4-ounce candle, and in the $20 subscription, you get the 8-ounce candle, and of course, in the $30 one, you get both. In all 3 of the subscription plans, you do get a bonus item each month. And let's get the card out. Here is the information card that talks about where our candles came from and the candles themselves and the bonus gift. So the featured favorites, so our candles this month come from Friendly Candle. They're based out of Columbus, Ohio, and on here it says they're founded by 2 best friends with the goal of a greener earth. Devin and Jordan hand pour each candle using 100% all natural soy wax to ensure a clean, long burn. Their candles are designed to be used, reused, and recycled. I love that they suggested using the candle holders as little planters because I'm going to continue doing that, and it's so fun and it's not too difficult to remove the wax. So again, I'm going to link the last video down below if you are inspired to use your old candle jars for planting. So let's start with the 8-ounce candle. I love the name of this, but first, mimosas. Oh my god, I was just grocery shopping the other day. It was probably 9:30 in the morning on a weekday, and I saw this young guy get with a bottle of bubbly and orange juice, and I was like, I want his life. I'm like, well, I guess I could do that today. I'm like, no, it's Wednesday morning, but I love mimosas, whole point. But this is awesome. So there's a little paragraph here. It says, you made it through the week. It took a couple bottles of vino and a few pep talks in the mirror, but you have earned this brunch. You're with your girls where the tea floweth like syrup onto pancakes. Today is Sunday Fun Day, your day to drink champagne with a splash of orange juice, to wear yoga pants with no intention of doing yoga, to put your phone on silent and treat yourself. You can save the world tomorrow, but first mimosas. I love this. Oh my god, just reading the label, I'm in love. Let's take a sniff. So that's what it looks like. Oh my god, I think I can already smell it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It definitely smells like oranges, but I do get a little hint of bubbly as well, champagne. I need a mimosa in my life, but until then, I will burn this candle and just imagine. Oh my god, I love this. So let's see if they have any other information here. So fragrance notes, mandarin and mimosa. Sorry, I have to keep taking sniffs. You can like hear that breathing noise. It's probably annoying, but sorry, not sorry. The scoop. Did someone say brunch? This scent pairs best with friends, French toast, and fresh squeezed OJ to top off a mimosa or two. Cheers. Oh, how do you guys like your mimosas? I like just like a little splash of orange juice, like not too much. Like it's got to be almost like clear looking. I want a mimosa. Let's move on to the next one. Usually every month I try and decide on what candle's like my favorite, and usually it's really hard to decide, and usually like when I smell the first candle like today, I'm like, oh, for sure that one's gonna be my favorite. So let's see if like usual I have some competition. So this one's called Afternoon Delight, and this is what it looks like. I love how their labeling tells you more about it, so let's read it. It says, hey you, you look like you could use an Afternoon Delight. An Afternoon Delight candle, of course. What else would we be talking about? I mean, my dirty mind went there. This intoxicating concoction combines notes of white tea and ripe, juicy berries for a delicious fragrance that culminates in an aromatic and romantic experience. Is it warm in here? Is it just the candle? I love this company, Friendly Candle. Oh my god. I'll leave their website down below too. It's just friendlycandle.com, by the way. So that's what it looks like a candle. Oh, this smells good too. What is the scent of this? I think I definitely like the mimosa one better, but this does smell good. I'm trying to guess the fragrance notes before reading it, and I honestly don't know. So, okay, fragrance notes are white tea and ripe berries. Okay, I definitely smell berries, but I could not sense what that white tea was. So a delicious fragrance that culminates in an aromatic and romantic experience. Is it warm in here or is it just the candle? I guess I'll have to like save this one for the bedroom, and maybe one day I'll have a hot date, or I don't know. Just enjoying a nice Netflix show with my cats. Nothing too crazy, but girl can dream. But yeah, the winner this month is But First Mimosas. Smells so good. But we're not done yet. We have a bonus item in here, and this month our bonus item is a lip balm. Last month the bonus item was seeds. Right? I'm pretty sure that's what it was. That's why we talked about planting. But anyways, sorry, my mind is all over the place. I'm in such a good mood right now. So this is by All Good. It's coconut certified organic lip balm. And I think lip balm is always a good thing to include in boxes because, I mean, I have actually met someone who hates having anything on their lips, like not even lip balm, but everyone else in the world I know loves lip balm and does not like a dry lip. Who likes chapped lips besides that one weirdo I know? Just kidding if you're watching. But this is from Morro Bay, California. And great, they give 1% to the planet, and All Good was founded by meeting nature at the table and not adding much else. Their plant-based products are certified organic, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and oxybenzone-free, as their name implies. All Good is committed to using business for good. They balance purpose and profit while considering the impact of decisions on employees, customers, suppliers, community, and environment. Awesome, I love companies like that. And it smells like coconut. But yeah, the winning scent out of all three is But First Mimosas. And you know, next time I go to the grocery store, this girl's treating herself. But you guys, this box is so good. I love everything from the candles to the bonus gift to the drawstring bags. Like, I love this color, everything. I love this little, you know, reminder to collect beautiful moments. Everything about this box is amazing. I love Vellabox. I've been getting it actually for a long time, and my mom gets it too. So I'm gonna have to send her some shots of what I got, and we can compare what we like the best. We like to do that every month. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. If you guys want to sign up for Vellabox, or it always makes a good gift as well. I feel like I always suggest that to people, like for those people who are hard to buy for. Like, everyone loves candles, right? Like, they're the best. But yeah, that link will be down below along with that promo code to save you some money. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.